Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by interpreting the clip so Premiere plays the correct frames, not stretched duplicates. First, right-click the media and choose Interpret Footage. Set the frame rate you need. Once done, drag into a sequence that matches your target playback cadence. Make sure to disable any clip-level speed changes. Those will conflict with optical flow. This step prevents frame doubling and gives the frame pool optical flow needs to synthesize smooth motion, so you get real, fluid slow motion without jitter. Now you create slow motion with time remapping and optical flow. You add time remapping to the clip, pull the speed ramp to the percent you want, and smooth transitions with keyframes. Next, right-click the clip and select Time Interpolation. Choose Optical Flow. This builds new frames intelligently. Make sure to ease keyframes for natural acceleration and deceleration. Once configured, render the range so Premiere generates the interpolated frames. That render is crucial to see the final smooth result. Finish by rendering and exporting correctly so the smoothening sticks. Render the sequence into out first, then export using maximum render quality and hardware acceleration if available. If you see warping artifacts or ghosting, make small adjustments. Lower the slow percent, shorten the ramp, or switch to frame sampling for those segments. Finally, make sure your GPU drivers and Premiere are up to date. Optical flow relies on them. If problems persist, convert to a higher frame rate source or reshoot at a faster camera, FPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.